Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add contact us page in Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to online store and select pages, and now click on add page. Enter the page title contact us, and now enter here your contact us page information and page visibility. Select visible and click on save. So the page has been created. Now we need to add this page to our website. So for that, go to navigation, and I'm going to opening my website. So as you can see, here is no contact us items inside of my menu, and now I want to add the contact us page to my main menu. So for that, I'm selecting here main menu and clicking on add menu item and giving the menu name here, and click on this link box and select pages, and I'm selecting that contact us page which one I just created and clicking on add. So here you can see the contact us page has been added here. Then clicking on save, and I'm going to reloading my website. So here you can see the contact us page has been successfully added to my Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.